Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to import a Microsoft Excel file into Notion, step by step. This simple process lets you bring your spreadsheets to life inside Notion, so you can keep all your information organized and accessible in one powerful workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently be able to move your Excel data into Notion and start exploring new ways to use it. All right, let's dive right in. Before you actually upload your Excel file to Notion, there's a small but important step. You need to turn your Excel file, whether it's .xlsx or XLS, into a zip file. This might sound a little odd at first, but Notion currently asks for Excel files in zipped format because it processes them more reliably that way. Don't worry, it only takes a few seconds and I'll walk you through it. Start by opening your computer's file manager. This could be File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac, whichever you normally use to browse your files. Locate the Excel file you want to import. Maybe it's a personal budget you've been tracking, a work schedule, or a weekly planner. Whatever it is, just make sure you know the folder it's saved in. Now, with the file visible, right-click on it. In the menu that pops up, look for an option that says something like Compress to Zip, Send to Compressed Folder, or Compress. The wording can be slightly different depending on your operating system, but it's always about turning your single file into a zip. When you select this, your computer will create a new zip file in the same location as your original Excel document. Think of it like putting your important paperwork into an envelope. It's just an easy way to bundle it up for safe delivery into Notion. If you don't see the compress option, just pause for a second and check again. Sometimes it appears as you scroll through the menu, or you might need to use your system's share options. Rest assured, this is a totally normal part of file management. Once you have your zipped file ready, you're set for the next part, bringing it into Notion. Open Notion and navigate to the page where you want your Excel data to live. In the top right corner, you'll see three little dots, also known as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click those. Then select Import. Notion supports importing from several types of files, but today we're focusing on our zipped Excel file. A new window or prompt will pop up, showing places to drag and drop your file, or choose it from folders. Simply click and drag the zip file you created earlier into this box. If you prefer, you can also browse for the file manually, but dragging and dropping is often quicker and feels a bit more satisfying, like handing over a stack of notes to a friend. Notion will now work its magic and convert your Excel data into a spreadsheet inside the workspace. This part can take a moment, especially if your file has lots of data, but just let it process. There's no need to worry if the import screen stays up for a bit. That's normal. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Excel file into Notion. From here, you can edit, link, and organize the data as part of your regular Notion workflow. It's a simple trick that opens up lots of possibilities for managing your info. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you ran into any tricky spots along the way. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical guides on making your digital life easier. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.